ClawPilot review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called ClawPilot. So right now we are on the sales page. How do you come to the sales page? For that you have to click the link below which says, so below my YouTube video it will be saying grab ClawPilot AI copy here somewhere. So click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page and then we have the demo videos. So I'll show you how this software works. Before that, I can give you some discount coupons. So you can see here $3 discount if you use the coupon code CLVIP. Apart from that, we have some coupon codes here as well. You can try them to see which one gives you maximum discount. I will lose money, I understand. So go and buy from me. If I lose money, but at least go and make some money. And I will give you more software. So just hold on. So the discount is CLP5. $5 off on funnel, CLP30 off on the funnel, CLP35 off on the funnel. So try to use these three coupon codes and also this coupon code and see which one gives you the maximum discount, okay? And also the bonuses. So I don't talk about the bonuses in the beginning, but I can show you that my bonus URL is linked. As you can see, this is my bonus URL, which is linked with the sales page. So we will talk about what the bonuses you're gonna get in the second part of this video, meaning that not the second part means the video is the same. So in the last 5 minutes, I would say, okay, so in the last 5 minutes of this video, I will tell you what the bonuses are, how you can get them, and they are already linked with the sales page. So if you go and buy this ClawPilot using my link, you will get them automatically delivered. And if you're interested in making money online as well, then watch the video till the end, okay? So on the sales page, it says, "I've never seen before app lets you run OpenClaw online, access the most powerful AI marketing team, this and that." So keep scrolling, and you will get to see the demo video. By the way, if you come down below my video, it has a link which says check out all of my Warrior Plus products as well. I have explained these things in the end anyway, so watch the video till the end. But if you want to buy my software, which I have launched on Warrior Plus, for example, these three ones, so what they are, how you can get them, and what they do. If you want to know more about this software and you know buy my own software on Warrior Plus, then make sure you watch the video till the end. I have explained everything, the bonuses, how to make money online, my software in the end. Okay, so keep watching the video till the end. And when you come to this ClawPilot sales page, you have to see the demo video before you buy the software. So keep scrolling. Don't lose hope. Keep scrolling until you find the demo video somewhere. Is it here? Let's see. There you go. I found it. Okay. So this is the demo video for 7 minutes long, which you have to come and see on the sales page itself in your free time. For now, I will show you some glimpses of the software. What does it do? So once you log in, you fast forward and you give the command or the prompt to the AI. For example, this is the prompt: launch a full marketing campaign and this and that. And by the way, all of this is being done using AI, I guess. Okay. And I also have a software for affiliate marketers called Launch to Profit AI, which you might have just seen in the, in the section which I have just gone through. So if you want the software for affiliate marketing, you can go and grab my Launch to Profit AI as well. Or you can go and buy this, what is the name again here? ClawPilot AI as well, okay? So just go and check out everything, and I will leave you to watch this demo video in your free time because it's a 7 minutes long demo video which you have to watch for sure before you buy. So they're generating email copies, they're generating some landing pages as well, and you can generate some chatbots, some AI agents, okay? And whatever AI shit is going on these days, you can generate all of these, I guess. So you can generate some basic AI images as well, as you can see here. Not very fancy, but they will do the job, okay? Then what we got? So you got, so you write some articles and reviews. By the way, all of this can be done by my own software called Launch to Profit AI. So let's come back here, and your content is ready, landing page, this and that, opt-in page. So go and check out this ClawPilot AI demo video, and if you want this, then go and grab the copy using my link below, but make sure you watch the demo for 7 minutes, okay? So here is the demo video on the sales page, and let's scroll down to see if we have some question answers. Okay, so I don't know why these people make so lengthy sales page. So what exactly is ClawPilot AI? I have shown you the demo video. It's all AI based, marketing campaign based, something. So do I need tech skills? Of course not. How is ClawPilot different? Read everything. Is there monthly fees? No. Can I use for client work? Yes, you can. How fast can I start seeing results? Minutes. Login and results. Okay, so you can build almost anything, everything. Is my data safe? Of course it is. What if I'm not certified? 30-day money back guarantee. How do I get started? Go and use the discount coupon and buy now. Okay. So whether you want this ClawPilot or not, but if you want my bonuses, then you have to go and buy from my link below so that you can get my bonuses, which you don't know what they are right now if you have not seen the video till the end. And let me again tell you that if you go and click this link called check out my Warrior Plus products, I have explained in detail in the end, but I will give you two hints here. If you want to create awesome images for your marketing campaigns, then go and get this Drishyam AI. This is all about generating images, okay? And if you want to generate affiliate campaigns, review articles, sales page copy, this copy, that copy, then Launch to Profit is free, okay? So go and make a choice. Either you go and buy ClawPilot and get my bonuses along with it, or go and buy my own software from here. So now just watch the video, or rather, let me explain the otos first. So if I scroll down, let's see, in the front end, you will be getting, I guess, what will you be getting? Let's see. So this is ClawPilot front end, I think. Yeah, this is the front end for, I guess, $12. Okay, so this is all you will be getting in front end. Then you have some otos here, so you can pause the video if you want to read about this. Otherwise, when you buy the product, you will get to the sales page, you will get to the oto pages anyway, where you can read everything. Okay, I have to do so much speaking, so go and buy from me, make me some money. Okay, because nobody else puts in human efforts to make these reviews. These reviews do not have a life, because when you make a YouTube video review for these kind of products, you hardly get 10, 20, 30, 40 views. Okay, so these videos do not have massive engagement or massive traffic, so nobody puts in efforts to give their human voice, give time, spend time in these videos. But I am doing these for a number of years, so it becomes your responsibility that you have to go and buy something from me, support me in whatever form you can. Normally, if you buy my courses are high ticket. I sell YouTube, I teach YouTube marketing, how to make money on YouTube. I teach forex trading. Those are high ticket courses. If you can't buy those high ticket courses, that's fine. Just go and appreciate the hard work somebody is putting in making these reviews, because other reviews which you will see for these products, they might be robotic. They just put the demo video, nobody's there to explain anything. Okay, you know what I mean. Okay, so you have to appreciate the hard work, because for 10 to, it's not about the views. Somebody is not willing to put in their soul into this kind of work, because they know they will hardly get 10, 20, 30 views. Okay, so there are only handful number of people who will actually come and make a really human review for these low quality products. Low quality means that something which is being sold for 10, $20, I would say I will not consider them very, very high quality. Okay, anyways, so go and pick and choose, and you can grab all the otos whichever you need. Obviously, in the front end, you will not get everything unlimited, so you have to go and buy maybe OTO1 to get the unlimited version. Okay, so they have their otos, and I guess that's all. So if you want to go and buy this ClawPilot, go and buy from me using my link below. If you want my bonuses, you will get them if you buy this. Otherwise, you can buy my own software. And now we'll discuss how to make money online and what my bonuses are. So watch the video till the end. Alrighty, humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab key shacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay. Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay. Second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all. This is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay. What else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately. Okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, $10, $12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you are a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.